Hi, this is Dr. Egan from Now Hear This, and today I wanted to talk to you about something very close to my ears and my heart, and that is hearing protection. Some of you may know, but I recently bought a house and moved to Holly Springs, North Carolina. Well, in Holly Springs, it is a very noisy place to live. There is construction going on all the different interstates. There are housing complexes being put up left and right. There is a new UNC Rex hospital right around the corner, so there are sirens going in and out. And noise conservation and hearing protection is just so important. So it's very close to my heart and my home, this topic today, because living in Holly Springs has really reminded me of just how noisy life can be. It's actually really interesting. There are some interesting articles showing that living in a place with a lot of noise can be harmful for your ears, but can also elevate things like your blood pressure and your stress levels. So if you are somewhere that has loud sound, we want to make sure we get away from it as much as possible. If it is loud enough that you have to shout to be heard, that is an easy way to measure that something could be dangerously loud. So if my neighbor in Holly Springs is mowing his lawn and I have to yell to my husband to be heard, it's time for me to get some distance in between me and the lawnmower. At the same time, if you are the person mowing the lawn yourself, make sure you're wearing hearing protection, either muffs or plugs, and pay attention to the NRR or noise reduction rating because we want to preserve your hearing for as long as possible. Outside of the home, if you're somewhere like a concert, make sure you bring plugs with you. We do custom music filters here if that's ever something of interest to you. And of course, things like construction. If you're driving outside, roll the windows up. All these little things can make a huge difference because every loud sound over the course of your lifetime can accumulate and cause noise-induced hearing loss to our hearing system. If you're a hearing aid user, we want to preserve the hearing you have left. If you don't need hearing aids yet, we want to prevent intervention for as long as possible. So take it from me, I live in a very noisy world right now. Protect your ears as much as possible. There's also some research showing that antioxidants taken before a noisy event, so if you were going to a concert or a loud place, that they can help protect the inner ear a little bit from that noise damage as well. So do what you can to protect your ears and keep them healthy as long as possible. Of course, I hope you learned something from this video and have a wonderful day.